Hey there, it's Ryan Taylor, host of Restaurant ROI Roundup. Today we're unpacking a practical step-by-step playbook called 7 Steps to Harness the Power of AI in Your Restaurant Marketing. If you run 1 to 8 locations, this episode is for you. We'll focus on simple, fast wins you can apply this week, plus a cadence to scale over 90 days. My goal is to help you increase weekly guest visits, raise average ticket size, and bring back lapsed guests without burning your team out. AI isn't magic. It works when it has clear goals, clean data, and consistent execution. Think of it as a smart assistant that writes, predicts, and automates so your managers can focus on hospitality. I'll walk you through the exact tools, workflow, and KPIs we use with neighborhood restaurants, from taquerias to wine bars. By the end, you'll know how to set up your foundation, target with precision, create on-brand content, automate guest journeys, dominate local search, maximize ad dollars, and measure what actually moves revenue. Step 1 is to define goals and set up your data foundation. Pick 3 business outcomes: more covers on slow days, higher average check, and repeat visits within 30 days. Translate those into measurable KPIs: reservations, online orders, walk-ins by day part, average order value, and visit frequency. Next, connect your data sources. Ensure your POS, online ordering, reservation tool, loyalty app, and guest Wi-Fi all capture names, emails, phone numbers, RAF, and visit details with consent. Turn on UTM tracking for every link you post or advertise so you can attribute revenue back to channels and campaigns. Create a single customer view. If you don't have a CRM, start with a spreadsheet or a lightweight CDP that deduplicates guests by email or phone. Standardize naming for menu items and locations. Finally, write a brief data policy: who can access what, how long you store it, and how you honor unsubscribe and privacy requests. Clean inputs power accurate AI. Step 2 is segmentation and prediction. Start with RFM, recency, frequency, and monetary value. Group guests into loyalists, regulars, new, lapsing, and lost. Add predicted lifetime value and churn risk using simple models in your CDP or an analytics plugin. If tools feel intimidating, export your data and let a consultant or freelancer build a basic model you can refresh monthly. Now map segments to business goals. For example, high-value loyalists get first access to limited menus and VIP events. New guests receive a welcome series with your brand story and bestseller recommendations. Lapsing guests get a nudge with a time-boxed offer valid Monday through Wednesday. Predictive flags help you intervene before a guest disappears. Enrich profiles with preferences: favorite items, dietary tags, family size, and neighborhood. You can infer some of this from orders and zip codes. The result is a living audience map that tells your AI who to talk to, about what, and when. Step 3 is content at speed without losing your voice. Use AI to draft ad copy, social posts, emails, SMS, and even menu descriptions. Start by feeding it your brand guidelines, tone, guest promises, banned phrases, and a few examples of posts you love. Create reusable prompts like, write 3 45-word Instagram captions highlighting our wood-fired pizza for families early week. Always have a human edit before publishing. Map content to segments and goals. New guests get an invite to try 2 signature items. Loyalists get behind-the-scenes stories, chef notes, and priority invites. Budget seekers see early week bundles, lunch combos, or family meals. Keep a content calendar that mirrors your operations: product drops, holidays, sports, weather, and local events. AI can also turn reviews into testimonials, rephrase staff bios, and translate posts to reach nearby communities. The headline: produce more on-brand content in less time and point it at the right people. Step 4 is automation of guest journeys. Think sequences triggered by behavior or dates, not one-off blasts. Set up a welcome flow for new subscribers. Day 1 thanks and brand story. Day 3 bestsellers. Day 7 invite to dine early week with a small incentive. Add birthday and anniversary flows that collect dates, suggest pre-orders, and offer a celebratory add-on. Post-visit automation is gold. Send a thank you within 24 hours. Ask for a rating and route 5-star guests to Google while capturing private feedback from others. Build a win-back for guests who haven't visited in 45 to 60 days with a relevant reminder and a deadline. Don't forget abandoned actions. If a guest starts an online order or reservation and drops, follow up within an hour with help and a one-click return link. For VIPs, automate surprise perks: occasional dessert, priority bookings, or menu previews. AI tunes timing and content based on segment response. Step 5 is boosting local visibility with AI. Your Google Business Profile is your new homepage. Use AI to audit and improve it weekly. Correct categories, fresh photos with alt text, accurate hours, and attributes like outdoor seating. Post updates every 7 days about events, specials, and new items. Answer Q&A proactively, seed common questions, and publish clear answers. Automate review response. Draft on-brand replies that acknowledge the specific dish or shift, invite a return, and route issues to a manager inbox. Add menu markup and schema to your site so search engines understand items, prices, and dietary labels. Generate location-specific landing pages that include neighborhood keywords, embedded maps, and parking tips. Research local keywords such as best tacos near your neighborhood and caterer for office lunch. Use those in titles, meta descriptions, and posts. The result is more discovery, more calls, and more direction requests without extra ad spend. Step 6 is smarter paid ads with AI. Lean into Google's Performance Max and Meta's Advantage Plus. Feed them clean signals, your product photos, a short brand video, your menu or product feed, and conversion events with proper UTM tags. Geo-target 1 to 3 miles for urban stores and expand for suburban. Build audiences from your segments. High LTV lookalikes, recent visitors, and lapsed guests. Run feed-based creative so the algorithm can mix dishes, prices, and headlines. Launch multiple variations and let the platform optimize. Layer in day-part scheduling to push lunch or early week. Use AI tools to generate dozens of ad headlines and primary texts that you then prune to brand voice. Review weekly. Cut underperformers fast and reallocate budget to high ROAS segments and locations. Always tie spend to revenue, not vanity metrics. The rule: small tests, fast learnings, bigger bets where the math works. Step 7 is measurement, governance, and scale. Build a simple dashboard that ties marketing to outcomes your GM cares about. Covers, average check, online orders, reservations, and review velocity. Add CAC and ROAS by channel. Color code green, yellow, red so anyone can scan weekly and know what to do. Create guardrails. Document your brand voice, photo do's and don'ts, and offer policy. Set approval workflows so AI-generated content is reviewed before it goes live. Capture consent for email and SMS. Honor opt-outs fast and align with privacy laws in your region. Limit access to guest data to need-to-know staff. Finally, systematize. Turn winning campaigns into playbooks with screenshots, prompts, and templates. Train a point person per location to run the basics. As results prove out, scale budget and automation to more segments, more locations, and more channels without diluting your guest experience. Let's put it together with a 90-day pilot. Month 1 is foundation and quick wins. Set goals, connect POS, online ordering, reservations, and Wi-Fi capture. Turn on UTM tracking. Build your first RFM segments and a basic dashboard. Launch 2 automations, welcome and post-visit review ask. Publish weekly Google posts and respond to all reviews. Run a small ad test focused on early week traffic. Month 2 is scale and optimization. Add churn risk flags in a win-back flow. Expand content with AI-assisted email, SMS, and social map to segments. Improve Google Business Profile photos and Q&A. Increase ad spend modestly and roll in feed-based creative. Start dayparting. Month 3 is proof and playbooks. Add birthdays, abandoned action follow-ups, and VIP perks. Rebalance budgets toward high ROAS segments. Capture case studies, screenshots of dashboards, revenue impact, and ad creatives. Document processes so a manager can run them in 1 hour a day. That's our 7-step playbook to harness AI in your restaurant marketing. We started with clear goals and a clean data foundation, then built smart segments and predictions that tell you who to target. We used AI to create on-brand content quickly, automated guest journeys that welcome, thank, and win back diners, and leveled up local visibility with better listings, reviews, and SEO. We finished by optimizing paid ads with AI and closing the loop with measurement, governance, and scale, all inside a 90-day pilot. If this helped, subscribe to Restaurant ROI Roundup and share it with another operator. I'm Ryan Taylor. Put one step in motion today and let AI buy you back time while it grows revenue. Thanks for listening today.